Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish, most wearing, most demanding baby crochet blanket patterns, different designs, different ideas, different color combination contrasts for your sweet babies you can see in this my video. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you are enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of baby crochet blanket patterns. New designing ideas for your sweet babies you can see in this my video. Stylish patterns, needed patterns you can see also. Every type of blankets you can see in this my video. If you want to buy this very beautiful baby crochet blanket design, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. New and stylish patterns you can see, decorated with flowers, different styles and colors. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. For pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video in my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and trendy crochet blankets? So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again. Allah Hafiz.